My name is Susan Bay. I am the winner of North America's Best Pastry Chef Award, sponsored by Valrhona as part of North America's 50 Best Restaurants in 2025. When I was younger, my father really loved the McDonald's apple pie, and I really wanted to recreate that experience for him. And it was so bad, but he was so supportive, and that's when I realized food had the power to really kind of make people happy. I like to think outside the box a lot, and I identify more with being called a creative more than a chef. My inspiration comes from nostalgia and my own heritage and culture. All of my pastry team members are female. Championing women in this industry is probably one of the most important things to me. This award, it feels like an honor, and it's humbling, and it feels there's legacy involved in it, right? And it is remarkable, to say the least.